No, I can see
find
like
jobs.
all like it's Microsoft right there.
Yeah,
There's,
Microsoft, Google, all around
everyone
here.
around.
So this is a continuous lecture room, but we can divide it up into separate rooms if need be, depending on the teaching.
Doing their undergrad here, take a transfer to the main campus in Leicester. Thanks, first of all, for taking our time, for showing us your university. I know you were also new here. Maybe you'll discover some parts of the campus while you show us around.
Yeah, so I'll show you as much as I can. Obviously, some rooms and lecture rooms may be locked, just because we've got a reduced number of students here at the moment. But essentially here you've got a student advice centre where students can come with any queries or help that they may need. And then we have our careers hub here and a recruitment team sit behind here. So any information, any queries the students have, they can book appointments, they got walk-in, they got ticketing system. The main thing for international students is probably going to be the careers hub, which you'll see through here.
Can we have a...
Yeah, we can have a little walk through. They'll help students all the way through the process, from applying, mock interviews, CV writing,
This I think
etc.
is so important for the students, right?
Yeah, so you can see here some of the networking opportunities as well that we offer to students. We are partnered with various companies. We are looking to do a lot more outreach as well to these organisations to partner with us, to be able to offer our students internships, create more job opportunities for our students. Because let's be honest, one of the main reasons students are coming is their ROI, which is return on investment, and careers is top of that list.
Right. So what I hear from the team at Montfort is that you guys are really focused on the ROI, on the outcomes of the students, which sort of sets the university apart from everyone else.
Yeah, so I travel to India quite a lot. I used to travel nearly every month. It slowed a little bit down now because it was a bit too much with the family. But one of the main things we always get feedback from students is, what's the ROI? What are my career opportunities? What do you do to support and help us? Well, we're sort of trying to lead the way within that.
And you're now bringing in the experience of the Leicester campus to here in Dubai?
Yeah, so predominantly I was Leicester UK campus focused, you would say. So we've got Leicester and London campus.
Yes, London campus.
And that was sort of my bread and butter. And now I'm sort of picking things up here. So it's been a bit of a change, but we're slowly getting there.
But do you think, I mean, it feels like this campus is like brand new.
Yeah, so I think we've been here just over 2 years. I stand to be corrected by anyone watching. But we did used to then be in Knowledge Park, so that was a lot bigger, a lot older style campus. Right. This is more modern. It's very centrally located, so it's a very good location, Internet City itself, for students to
I can see
find
like
jobs.
all, like it's Microsoft right there.
Yeah, Microsoft, Google, all around
everyone
here.
around just this campus.
Yeah, so a lot of feedback we've got from students is that they really prefer this location. Although it's a bit further away from maybe the student accommodation and things like that, there's always shuttle buses that are part of that accommodation package that bring them to and from campus. You'll see students always arrive early, so this is normally a lot busier during teaching times. Students will be playing in the games area, which we have to the left. We have a canteen area here and a town hall behind us where sometimes we'll hold like festive activities for students. The student council will use it for various different activities. And then, like I said, here you've got all of our
nice cafeteria for the
students and a games area just here to the left for them to socialise with their friends. During certain events like Diwali and things like that, we block off this area back here, and sometimes there's performances and things like that go on. So you'll see the building's like an oval shape.
Right.
And every floor is very similar, that it's got different classrooms and lecture rooms on each floor. So we have so some of the rooms that I can talk to you about, but we won't be able to access because it will need specific access, is your trading room floor, cybersecurity labs, computing labs. They've got specific software within them, and the engineering workshop here as well. They'll have specific software and equipment within them.
These places are not accessible at the moment?
They're accessible only for students on them courses or the academics.
Okay. Because students would love to see all of this, what they can, all will get access to if they come here. So
yeah, so this is the thing at the moment, because obviously, like I said, I'm picking this up quite last minute, so having to get and arrange access, I didn't have the time to get that in, but we'll head upstairs.
How many floors are there in this campus?
4 floors.
4 floors?
4 floors, yeah. And so it's a mix on all the floors, so on each floor we kind of have like a different aspect. So we'll have the academics sitting on them floors as well as then the classrooms and lecture rooms and facilities and labs. So like I said, the trading room floor, we're one of a very limited few UK universities who have that. It's got the Bloomberg services within them, and it's essentially 2 minutes behind the live version. We have it at our Leicester campus as well. And it just gives students that added advantage. So essentially what we want them to do is become more employable.
Right.
So we're giving them the latest facilities, equipment that they use in a real life job on our campus.
I saw the facilities at the Leicester campus, and if you guys want to check them out, you can go to our YouTube channel, check out the DMU video from the Leicester campus, and you will see what's all there back in the UK. But here we are in Dubai, and we have more like a design studio.
Oh, it's locked.
It's locked as well.
Let me see if I can get through one of these sides. Yeah, no, they're all locked, unfortunately, because at the moment, students are on a break from teaching.
Right.
So a lot of these classrooms are locked, but we can walk around so you can get sort of a feel. Most of the rooms on all the different floors are all very similar to this. This one's got its lights on, so let's see if we can have a quick look in here. No, all locked. Sorry about that, guys, in terms of being able to show you some of the rooms.
No, but we feel lucky that at least we met you. The gentleman we were looking for is not here. But this is like a continuous...
So this is a continuous lecture room, but we can divide it up into separate rooms if need be, depending on the teaching that's required. And then we have a library from here, which I'll show you the main entrance. So this is the exit, more or less. But it starts around here and it loops around. So again, we've got all the books, all the e-journals, and then we've got rooms which students can book for sort of quiet periods or group work, etc. Just on a tour, yeah. So again, yeah, here you can sort of see some of the facilities available to students as we go around here.
They can actually also come and study here.
They can come and study here. Yeah. You could probably got a good view of some of the companies which were nearby here. So you can see Google is there.
Yeah,
and
Amazon.
some of the other Amazon, some of the other phone companies, yeah.
And there's always more coming up in Dubai, right? You can always see these tower cranes everywhere.
Yeah. I mean, I don't think it ever stops developing because it's a city. So
because a lot of students think, that Dubai is getting built for a long time. It's probably saturated.
I don't think it's saturated yet. I think it's still growing at a very, very quick pace. If you look at the number of people moving here, the universities in terms of recruitment are all picking up. Their international recruitment of students coming to the university in Dubai is actually growing now. Mm-hmm. And I soon think it will sort of be up there with some of the higher recruiting countries and cities in the world.
It's pretty quiet for the students. A nice place for them too.
Yeah, back around this way, see some of the classrooms on this side are open. They've all got their lights on, but they're all locked, so I'm a bit unsure. But here you can we've got some computer labs here, and again, I think these are going to be locked because I know, the teachings they're all on holiday at the moment in terms of teaching. So most of these classrooms are locked, unfortunately.
But this is the building where all the students would be. So,
correct.
So you had some like larger theaters on the ground floor. We have the library, the computer lab, and some of the classroom and the design studio. On the second floor.
On the second floor, and then each floor will have a different aspect. So upstairs we've got some of the business classrooms, which again are larger lecture rooms.
Right.
And then it varies by floor. So you've got obviously design here. We obviously run various number of programs on this campus now as well, in comparison to our UK as well. It's going up. Let's see where it's going.
So what courses and what specializations do you find that DMU has an extra edge over other universities? What should somebody, if they're thinking of studying this, then they should definitely come to DMU?
We've got a wide variety of courses. You've got your business courses, which again, Dubai, if you look at that, Dubai as a market, business is obviously booming here. But then if you want to go into them sort of specialist areas, you can look at your cybersecurity, your computing, your artificial intelligence.
So anything related to do with tech is big here at DMU.
Yeah, so we've got expertise. Our academics are always learning as well. There's expertise within all these areas. And again, here we've got the computer labs, which are going to be locked, I bet. Yeah. So unfortunately, this is all the same as we go around now, but most of the doors are going to be locked. So we'll head back down.
Perfect. No worries.
This is just sort of toilets.
Maintain.
So yeah, it's not as big as what we used to have, but it's convenient for the students in terms of location, the design of the building, etc. as well. That's great.
And do you have a lot of students being recruited from India?
Yeah, India is our biggest international market.
Yeah.
So that's one key focus.
And mainly students are coming to study undergrad or masters?
Most popular is undergrad and IYZ.
IYZ, okay. Do students who are doing their undergrad here take a transfer to the main campus in Leicester or London?
It's possible. Not to London, to Leicester.
To Leicester.
It's possible, so they can start their undergrad level 4 or 5. So year 1 or year 2, and they can always transfer over to Leicester during any of them.
That's also like a good flexibility that the students have.
Yeah, it's a very good flexibility. They do need to be. I know a lot of students aim to do that for sort of 1 year for PSW purposes and stuff, but then they have to do 1 full year there to obviously qualify for that PSW aspect.
And how does the tuition vary between the main campus?
So it does vary. Dubai is slightly cheaper, shall we say, than UK. So in comparison, PG is slightly cheaper. Undergrad is quite a lot more cheaper than things. I think when I did a quick comparison, it worked out if I do comparison like for like in pounds, it was about 8,000 something. If I'm not correct, it is the tuition fee for undergraduate here. And then in UK, it's about 14,000.
Right.
This is after scholarships, and everything that's been deducted. Obviously, scholarships vary. We have different scholarships available based on academic merit. Again, the higher the academic score, the higher the percentage of scholarship you're going to get, etc. So these prices and figures that I have mentioned will vary depending on sort of what grades the students are achieving.
Right. So it's going to be dependent on the subject, of course, and the grades that they are achieving.
Yeah.
And there are more scholarships available, but broadly between £8,000 to £10,000 a year is what an undergrad will have to.
Yeah, for a rough example, yeah. So we normally have an early application discount. So for example, for this January, we have an early application discount, which is I think about 7,500 dirhams.
Yeah.
And then we normally have an international scholarship, which is about 20% off the gross fee.
Right.
So yeah, that sort of brings the course fee down for the undergraduate students.
And what about master students? Do you see a lot of master students also coming?
Yeah, masters is something that's slowly picking up. We do well at it, but it's something where I think, coming with my experience from UK, obviously a lot of PG master students go to the UK.
Yeah,
it's an area where I was thinking, well, here it's sort of the other way around. It's UG's higher than PG. And I'm looking at it thinking, oh, well, maybe we can get more PG, and that's something I'm working with agents like yourself on how we can improve that, how we can improve our pipeline and work on them conversions.
Right. One setback this fall, we had 5 students from Wollongong who came back.
Why did they come
back? They
back?
joined the university, they flew into Dubai, and then within a month they went back because they couldn't adjust.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in the next video.